The news of the enlarged meeting of the 10th Plenary Meeting of the 8th Central Committee of the Workers' Party of Korea is hardening the face of all the party members and other people in sheer victory in the cause of building a powerful socialist country, while instilling into them the firm conviction in the highly civilized and prosperous future. As soon as the enlarged plenary meeting was over, Kim Jong Un, General Secretary of the Workers' Party of Korea and President of the State Affairs of the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, together with members of the central leadership body of the party, went to major industrial establishments with an intention to bring about a fresh upsurge in the development of the national economy and make the overall socialist construction seethe with creation and changes. He visited the defense industrial enterprise, which plays a key role in bolstering up the country's defense capabilities, on July 2nd. The enterprise, under its energetic guidance, has been turned into a model and standard one in the country's industrial architecture and establishment of a cultural way of production and life, such as the modernization of production lines and landscaping. It is now striving to attain the munitions production goal for this year in the high spirits, as was displayed to overfulfill its production plan for the first half of the year. Guided by leading officials of the enterprise, Kim Jong Un went round its unmanned production lines that had been put on an intelligent, precision and high-performance basis at a high level, saying that the level of modernization achieved by our defense industry is the standard and goal to be attained by not only the machine-building industry sector, but also all other sectors of the national economy. He stressed the need for members of the central leadership body of the party to thoroughly study and arm themselves in order to properly organize and guide the modernization of production lines at all units in the economic field. He learned in detail about the integrated production system established by the enterprise at its integrated production control room and gave the task of steadily updating the level of putting the production guidance on an IT basis and rapidly expanding and introducing its successes and experience into the overall economic field. Kim Jong Un went around the hostel for workers, hall of culture and welfare facilities, and expressed great satisfaction at the fact that the enterprise has established a high level of cultural environment for workers living. That evening, Kim Jong Un, together with members of the central leadership body of the party, visited a factory producing medical appliances. The members of the central leadership body of the party looked around dozens of kinds of high-performance medical appliances produced by the factory and its production lines. They were filled with a firm determination to play the vanguard and core role in the struggle for implementing the decisions of the plenary meeting of the Central Committee of the Workers' Party of Korea by making redoubled efforts for the prosperity of the great state and the well-being of the people.